Congratulations! No! Amazing!
Hello, everybody. My name's Mark.
Nice, nice! Hooray! Question mark? Okay, let's go!
Okay.
Come on, step it up!
入って入って Come on, join us!
Hello, everybody. My name's Mark Blarn.
Bror, niemand boeit!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream fun. Yeah, boy.
Hey, Stinky! Bror, niemand boeit!
Hey, what happened?
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Hooray! Question mark? Huh?
Oh, hello.
Tell them to bring me my money.
No! Here I go!
Come on, step it up!
Woohoo!
Bye.
I am ready to put on a show!
Hey, Stinky! Thanks, Pally!
Go!
Here we go!
We're in trouble now.
Too easy! Piece of cake! Here we go!
Let's go! Come on! Zip, zip.
Bye, have a great time!
I am ready to put on a show! Here I
Whoa! Amazing! My God, are you still talking?
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
go! Oh no! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! We're in trouble now.
Wow.
Sunshine, good morning! Ja, dat is een beetje de wereld, maar ik kan het wel. Ja, maar kan het wel. Ja, maar we kunnen niet meer met die. Okay. Go! 美味しく料理してやるぜいっぱい美味しくしてやるぜ Oh yes! Bye bye! Oh, this is the boss. Ja, dat is een beetje de wereld. Okay.
Good job! Here we go!
Ja, maar kan het wel. Ja, maar we kunnen niet. Wow! Congratulations!
Okay, let's go!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice. Bye.
Okay.
Good job! Amazing!
Let's go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time!
We're in trouble now.
some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
I got an idea.
Here we go! Thanks, Pally. Come on.
Okay.
Here I go.
Here we go! Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello.
Let's go!
We're going.
Gary!
Yeah.
Doors, yes? Too much for couch potato head boys like yourself.
We're in trouble now.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Here I go!
Hello, cutie pie.
Ho ho!
Uh-oh! No way!
Wow! It's magical!
Come on, boy.
Woo! Let's go!
We're going!
Okie dokie.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Here I go!
We're in trouble now.
great time.
Wow! It's magical!
Take a shot, nerd. You gotta be kidding me.
Hello.
Where'd he go?
Let's go!
Nice, nice.
Here we go.
Oh no!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Get in here, you little bastard.
Great. Woohoo!
Come on, step it up.
Congratulations!
Okay.
Going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Woohoo!
Bye, have a great time.
Hello, Ed boys! Many doors, yes?
In trouble now.
Yummy.
Hello, Ed boys! Don't call me honey.
Go, go, go!
Whoa! Amazing!
Here I go!
Yeah.
Go, go, go!